everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for sanitary ware business. So here I am a wholesaler of sanitary ware products and I'm dealing and promoting my products with the help of IndiaMART, that is an amazing B2B marketplace. Now my objective is that as soon as I am going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry for my business, automatically I want to connect with that lead instantly on WhatsApp by sending a WhatsApp message. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to build a connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So here I am going to show you step by step how to send automated WhatsApp message to each and every IndiaMART leads for our sanitary ware business. So I am a wholesaler of sanitary ware products and I am promoting my business with the help of IndiaMART, that is an amazing B2B marketplace in India. My objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new inquiry or a new lead through IndiaMART for my business, I want to connect with that lead quickly on WhatsApp. So I want to send automated WhatsApp message to that lead in the personalized format. So here, in order to automate this entire process, I will have to set up a connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp. Now for sending WhatsApp messages in the personalized format, in the format of template, I am using AI Sensei. AI Sensei is WhatsApp API which helps us to send WhatsApp messages in the template format, in customized format, effortlessly. Alright. Here I'm using AI Sensei for sending the messages. I've already created a template and by using that template only I'm going to send the messages to each of my lead. But in the place of AI Sensei, you can also take any other API application such as WhatsApp Cloud API, Vati, Interact or etc. Alright, now for sending the WhatsApp messages to my leads, I am going to build the connection between IndiaMART and AI Sensei. And to do that, we are not going to use any kind of coding or programming skills. We will build this connection with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Pabbly Connect helps us to automate all our daily repetitive tasks without the requirement of coding or programming skills, simply by connecting our work applications with each other. So let's get started quickly. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, I'm going to click on sign in directly. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on Access Now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On the dashboard, we will find all the workflows which we have created. And to save these workflows, we can also create separate folders over here. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this Create Workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for sanitary ware business. After giving the name to my workflow, I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have list of folders over here. These are different folders which I have created for different kind of workflows. Among these folders, you can see I have created a separate folder for all the automations that are related to IndiaMART leads. So I've selected that and now I'm going to click on Create. As we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two extremely important windows, Trigger and Action. So what are Trigger and Actions? Trigger and Actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose my objective is that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through IndiaMART, I want to send a WhatsApp message to that lead with the help of AI Sensei. So, IndiaMART will be my trigger step. and ASNC will be in action. When we are going to set up the connection between these two applications, we will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is received through IndiaMART, then only a message will be sent to that lead in the personalized format on WhatsApp, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, let's go towards our trigger step and let us select our trigger application as IndiaMART. So I have selected that because my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry in IndiaMART, I want to capture a response of that lead and inquiry inside Pabbly Connect. So here the trigger application is IndiaMART. And now we have to select a specific event on the happening of which we want to capture the response and we want to run this workflow. So when a new lead will be received through IndiaMART, their response should be captured, and with that response, the workflow should get triggered instantly. We have done that. Now we have to build the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect. To do that, we have received a webhook URL. As you can see, we have to just copy this webhook URL and we have to insert it inside our IndiaMART account, so that once the connection will be built, when the lead will be received, this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of that new lead with all of the details towards Pabbly Connect. So let's copy the webhook URL. We have to follow the given instructions carefully in order to insert it inside our IndiaMART account. But don't worry, I am going to show you each and every step. So let's go towards IndiaMART. I have already logged in, and now from the left side here we have the option of Lead Manager. After coming on Lead Manager, here we have 3 lines, that is a menu section, and under menu here we have the option of Import Export Leads. When we will come over here, we will see the other 3 options. So we have to select Push API among them. Let me deactivate the existing webhook over here so that we can add a new one. So when the webhook is deactivated, now here we are on Push API integration. First of all, over here we have to select the lead source. From which source we have received the lead. So you can select any of the given options according to your choice and requirements. I am going to select other over here. Then here we have to provide the CRM platform name, the platform which you want to connect with IndiaMART. Currently I am connecting Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART, so I have given Pabbly Connect over here as name. Then here in the webhook listener URL, we have to simply paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect, and then we have to click on Save Details. After doing this, here we are on API activation form, so we have to select a specific reason why we are setting up this connection. So you can select any of the reason given over here. I am going to select, let's say I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance, just a random reason. Then I'm going to click on Generate OTP, and as we have done that, you can see that here our webhook is set up and it is activated successfully. This means our connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect is also built. So now here it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission in order to capture the response. How we are going to do that? By simply adding a new lead or a new inquiry in IndiaMART. So for doing this, I have already created a dummy profile of a lead. I am going to open that dummy profile in incognito mode, and I am going to send a dummy inquiry with that lead's profile towards my IndiaMART account. As we will do that, the lead will be received along with the inquiry, and all the details of that lead are then going to be captured over here in Pabbly Connect as well. Alright, so let's do that quickly. I'm going to open the leads profile in incognito mode in IndiaMART. So over here you can see that I have opened incognito mode, I have opened IndiaMART, and I've also logged in with that dummy profile which I have created. While creating the profile, because I've already entered all the details such as the name of the lead, the email address, the phone number, the company name, their address, city, etc. So I do not have to enter the details again and again. I will just enter the inquiry, and all my details, all the details of that lead will be automatically sent towards IndiaMART, and the same details will be captured inside Pabbly Connect as well. Okay, so here I have searched my business name. I'm going to click on contact supplier, and I'm going to enter the requirements or the inquiry over here as a message. So here is the message. Hello, I'm looking for high quality bathroom fittings for a residential project. Then I'm going to click on next, and here the response is sent towards my business, as you can see. So I'm going to simply cross this. We will move back towards IndiaMART. And yes, here we have received a new lead. We have received the lead with the company name as ABC Company. As I told you, while creating the profile, I've given certain details. So we have received the company name which I have entered, okay, ABC Company. Hello, I am looking for high quality bathroom fitting. So this is the same inquiry which I have submitted as a message currently. As we have received this lead and the inquiry, let's go and check whether the response of this lead is captured inside Pabbly Connect. And yes, here the response is already captured. So in the response, we have received each and every detail. Let's start reading them one by one. First of all, we have the status of the lead, that is success. Then we have a unique query ID, which is going to be unique for each and every new lead. Then we have a default subject. Then we have a state of the lead, we have the name of the lead, their phone number, their email address, their city, state, etc. and the date and time at which the query is received. Also over here we have received the exact inquiry which I have submitted. Okay, as you can see. So these are the details which I have entered while creating the profile of the lead. So as I told you, I have given some dummy details. They are the same. So when we have received the response, this means our connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now every time a new lead will be received in IndiaMART for my sanitary ware business, I'm going to receive the response of that lead inside Pabbly Connect as well, that too instantly with all the details. Once I have received the response, I want to send a WhatsApp message to this lead. So here, in order to send the message, I have already created a template with the help of AI Sensei. I'm going to set up the connection between AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect. So let's go towards our action step. Let us select our action application as WhatsApp by AI Sensei. Okay, then here we have to select the action event, that will be send template message. Once again, I will tell you that here I am using AI Sensei to send messages to my leads, but also in the place of AI Sensei, you can take any other application according to your choice and requirements. Let's set up the connection by clicking on connect. To build the connection, we have two options over here. You can see I am already logged into my AI Sensei account. Now here, if you already have an existing connection with AI Sensei, just go with that quickly by selecting existing connection. But to create a new connection, I will tell you exactly what you are supposed to do. So we'll go towards add new connection. We have to provide an API key over here. To get this API key, the instructions are given over here. I will show you each and every step to get this API key as well. So you do not have to do much. You just have to go towards your AI Sensei account. From the left side here, you have to go towards manage section. After coming on manage, here we have some other options. So among these options, we will select API key. And here we have the API key. So let's copy it. We'll move back and we will paste it over here. Done. Let's click on save. As we have done that, the connection between AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So now we need to enter the details in these fields to create the connection and to send the message successfully. Now, first of all, it is asking us the campaign name. What is the campaign name? Here, I have told you that I have created a template for sending the messages. For using that template, in order to send the message, you also have to link it with a live campaign. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you have to do that. So I will take you towards AI Sensei. We'll go towards the template section, and this is the template which I have created for sending messages to my IndiaMART leads. Aqua Elegance is the name of my business. Hi, thank you for reaching out to us regarding your sanitary ware needs. At Aqua Elegance, we specialize in high quality products such as faucets, basins, tiles, etc. And over here, this is the entire message which I'm going to send. Okay, I'm informing the client, the lead, that soon my team member is going to contact them quickly along with your inquiries. So now, after creating this template, I'll have to link it with a campaign as well. One more thing, you can see that in the place of name of the lead, I have used a variable over here. When we use a variable in the template, it makes the data dynamic. That means with each and every new response, the data of that specific place get replaced. So because I have used the variable in the place of name, this means name of the lead is automatically going to replace with every new response. And in this way, we are going to send the personalized message to each of our lead. Alright, now as we have done that, now I'm going to simply cross this because I have completed the template. It is also approved. So I'm going to link this template with my campaign. For that, we have to go towards the campaign section. We have to launch a new campaign. Let's select API campaign over here. You have to give a name to your campaign. So let's say I'm going to give the name as Aqua Elegance Leads. Now I'm going to link my template with it. The same name, Aqua Elegance Leads. This is my template, which we have the preview of the message over here. Let's click on set live. As the campaign is ready, let's go towards go to campaign. Here the campaign is ready, it is live. So now I'm going to simply copy the name of this campaign from here. We'll move back and paste it over here. Okay, in the similar manner, you also have to create the template. You have to link the template with a live campaign by launching a new campaign, and then you have to enter the name of that campaign over here. Now, the next it is asking us is the mobile number. On which number you want to send the message? I want to send the message to my IndiaMART leads, and not only on one number, but I want to send the message to each and every lead which is submitting the response and inquiry. So over here, we have to keep in mind that the number which we are going to enter must be dynamic in nature. That means it should get changed automatically with every new response. For doing that, instead of entering the number manually, we will simply map the number over here. Okay, so here my previous response is given. When I'm going to search for the phone number over here, it has redirected me towards the number of the lead. So I will simply select it and it is mapped. Okay, when we have mapped this number, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, it will get replaced automatically. So every time a new lead will be received and a new inquiry will be received through IndiaMART, the number over here is going to replace with a new number of that new lead. And in this way only we are going to automate the entire process. Then it is asking us the username. Who is the receiver of this message? So the receiver is the lead. So once again, we are going to search the name of the lead in the previous response and we will map it like this. Then if you want, you can enter the lead source over here, the tags over here. Then we have to enter the very important thing, that is template parameter. you have to enter the values for the variables which you have used in your template in this field. So I have used only one variable in my template, that is for name. So the value will be the name of the lead. I will simply map it. But in case if you have used more than one variable, so you have to enter the values in this way, that you have to enter the first value, you have to use a comma, space, then you have to enter the second one. And in this way, you have to enter multiple template parameters. Along with this, if you want to send a document, product or service catalog along with a message, you can enter the URL of that file or the document and the name of that file or document in these two fields. I'm going to ignore these fields for now, and I will directly click on Save and Send Test Request button. As we have done that, you can see that here we have received a message. It is saying that the message is sent because we have true over here as the status. And also we have received the message ID. So now I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp to check whether the message is received or not on the number which we have mapped over there. And yes, here the message is received. Hi, Smart Lead. You can see the name is automatically appeared over here. Thank you for reaching out to us regarding your sanitary ware needs. Here we have the entire message. So this means our connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now every time a new lead will be received through IndiaMART, automatically a message will be sent to that same lead in the personalized format with the help of AI Sensei. So I hope this automation is clear to you. It is helpful for your sanitary ware business. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.